rice. Today we are going to make egg watalappam. Am I saying correctly name of watalappam? Do you know that main ingredients is egg? Let's learn how to make watalappam. Ingredients are 15 eggs, 350 grams of jaggery, 400 grams of sugar, 10 cardamom, 200 milliliters coconut milk. Don't overheat the sugar. Do you know that coloring is important when making the watalappam? So we use sugar as coloring. Let's check the eggs one by one. Again and again. I am saying please check the egg one by one. After selecting the good eggs, mix together for at least 25 minutes. Do you know we have uploaded several videos on our Me Rice YouTube channel? Please watch, subscribe, and hit the like button too. Add the 200 milliliters coconut milk. Again, mix it for 10 minutes. Add the jaggery and mix it for 10 minutes. Now add the prepared sugar coloring. Again, mix it for 10 minutes. After mixing, it should be filtered. Then only we can get the smoothie layer of watalappam. Preparing the boiled water. Separate the yellow layer as much as possible. After separating the yellow layer, it is above to steam in the hot water. For today, we separate it into 3 portions long. Making watalappam is above to finish. We wrap it one by one, but wrapping is not important too. Finally keeping in the steam. It would take to cook approximately 40 minutes. After 40 minutes, Watalappam is ready. If you are interested in this video, please subscribe, comment, and share. Don't forget to share with your friends too. Oh, we forgot to say this. We cannot eat with hot, so we keep it in fridge for 2 hours. Enjoy sweetie Watalappam.